This is a GoPro Hero 3 Black Edition. Um, Here, the battery is drained. I'm going to plug it in. I actually had it plugged in, but you will see instead of the lights coming um, up in the front, the light in the back is halfway lit. It's not fully on, and nothing else is on. And when I try to power on the camera, I get absolutely nothing. The light is still on. I unplug the charging cable. It's extremely hot. I open up the battery compartment, take out the battery. The battery is burning, literally burning, and put everything back together and replug the charging cable, and now it's charging. And it turns on.